Hello everyone! Today I want to show you some nice psychedelic lead sound from Serum. Very nice metallic sound for Psytrance, full-on dark Psytrance, or even high-tech, whatever. I just want to show you how does it work. Okie dokie, so let's maybe open new Serum patch and let's try to make similar or same preset. Okay, so Serum lead, so this one will be closed. Okay, so what we have to do, let's go and find Juno preset. Oh, here it is, and let's go with warp type from FM sub oscillator. Let's go to position maybe 10. Let's open sub and let's go for sawtooth. Level down. Let's put octave -2. Here also we go for -2. And now filter, let's go to band 424, bit resonance up, and I will put drive also and bit fat. Okay, a little bit master volume. Now I will just prepare my modulation here for cutoff. So let's see what do we have. This is my MIDI pattern. Where is it? Oh, here we go. So my track is in G. Where are you? Sorry. Oh, here we go. In G. Yes, G is here. So I will put maybe, let's see. Already it's sounding psytrancey. Without anything here in the FX channel. Remember warp, let's go about 50 to maximum 70, but I will go like here and look at this. Of course you can do modulations from FM also. Yeah, we can also use it here. But what is make this sound like metallic, like psychedelic, is hyper and dimension. So let's go for like 50%, detune 50% rate like 27%, and now okay, and I want to so is this but another thing, like most important in this sound, is delay. So let's turn on delay, go for like 60%, and let's stay for normal. And now we engage the link and turn off the BPM. So now we have time for left and right, but we have linked, so now when we press here, we can change the values both on the same time, and this we have to modulate it. Oh, sorry, not like this. Let's keep it like about 50, and we have to have automation knob from feedback, and check how does it sound now. Okay, let's try with kick and bass and rest. Let's try some other MIDI patterns. So here is the delay feedback controller. So look, let's go crazy like for 100. It's too much, definitely. Let's change for ping pong. Let's see how that works. Interesting. I think it's even better. And also, what you can try to like just try other settings is it's sounding very nice. Also, when you change shape here for triangle. Check this out. Maybe let's put arpeggiator 16 and long note. again for normal. So as you can see, I change sub oscillator to -4 octave, and here in oscillator A for -3, and it's even better. You can try different settings on arpeggiator. Also, you can put another delay here after this, but I don't want to go crazy. Okay, it's good to, you know, try different settings, different positions of this wave. Oh, let's try different shape in a sub. So as you can see, you can get very nice sounding lead sound just from, you know, trying different shapes in a sub oscillator and just changing warp position or warp procents, and also remember to have delay not on BPM, just on time. And also you can try to change those values here. Oh, it's also sounding nice, huh? Maybe a bit too much. think this is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos from me, just please type below what you want to see from me to record or to just make video about it. And I invite you to subscribe my channel, like my Facebook page, check my SoundCloud also, and see you in next video. Bye.